Hello. Today we're going to be building a small powder coating oven out of a commercial stainless steel food warmer I purchased at the scrapyard. The dimensions of the box are 15 by 14 by 26 inches deep. I think it's a good size for a powder coating oven to doing small items. Once I have it complete, I'll be testing it out on another video. I purchased a Columbia wood vise at a swap meet several months back, and I want to restore it. My plans are to sandblast the vise, then powder coat it, and as I say, it'll be in a separate video. So let's get started. I purchased a stove element off of Amazon, and we're going to mount it towards the back of the box. I'm cutting a hole in the top of the box so I can mount the element and the thermostat. It took a little bit to get everything squared up, but after it was all put together, it looked pretty good. It took a little bit to get the element mounted properly, but we got it to where it needed to be. After I got the element and a thermostat mounted, we gave it a test, and it heated up pretty good. I think it's going to work out just fine. I needed to make something that I could hang items from so they wouldn't be just sitting on the bottom of the box. So I cut a piece of angle iron, drilled some holes in it, and mounted that inside the box. I bought some silicone gasket material. I'm going to cut it into strips, and I'm going to use it to make a gasket for the door. That's going to need to be kept pretty tight while it's running, so I think that'll work out good. I can't wait to try the oven out. As I mentioned earlier, the next video is going to be on restoring a old wood vise. Overall, the build took about 4.5 hours to complete.